Hello again, it's Clarissa, your dietitian from the Lower Lights Christian Health Center and the Jubilee Market and Cafe Food Prescription Program. This month we will focus on vegetables, why they are important, how often you should eat them, and most importantly, some ideas on how to enjoy them. So in the very beginning, in Genesis 2, God said, I have given you every sort of seed-bearing plant on earth and every kind of fruit-bearing tree, given them to you for food. It was always God's intention to nourish our bodies with plants. We see this all over the world and in all cultures. People who eat more vegetables live longer, healthier lives. Vegetables are nutrient dense, meaning they are packed with a lot of nutrition into very few calories. So when you eat a variety of colors, your body is able to absorb a wide variety of vital vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. Vitamins keep our organs and cells functioning, everything from the neurons firing in our brain to the flow of blood to our ability to see and even move. Minerals are going to help create balance in the body. They help build strong bones or even trigger our heart to keep beating. Phytonutrients are good chemicals that protect our cells from toxins, cancers, disease, and inflammation. So it's important to eat vegetables because our lives literally depend on them. We should eat vegetables as often as we can. If this is new for you, any vegetable is better than no veggies. Canned, fresh, or frozen, no matter, we always have to start somewhere. The USDA recommends at least 1 cup of veggies for children, 2 cups for adolescents and teens, and about 3 cups of veggies per day for adults. Unfortunately, less than 10% of Americans meet this goal. To help meet this goal, you will need to make sure veggies are included in at least 2 meals per day and 1 snack. Most of my patients tell me they feel overwhelmed when trying to eat healthy foods, and they're not quite sure where to start. You always have to set yourself up for success, so it does take a little planning. As someone with a busy job and baby on the way, I prefer to go to the grocery store just once a week. Before I head to the grocery, I make a plan of everything we're going to eat for the week and create my list. If you have children, make sure to include them in your planning, in the planning of your menu. This will make them more likely to help you with the preparation, but also more likely to actually eat those vegetables that they help to pick out. I always recommend going to the grocery store with at least 2 or 3 recipes in mind. So sticking to your list will not only help keep you focused on healthy foods, but it will also help keep you on your budget. For example, this week we're going to be making a green bean and potato stew. We're going to have a roasted butternut squash soup and even a slow cooker lentil curry for my veggie-centric meals. And also some delicious sides and a kale salad, some beets, even some sweet potatoes and asparagus. So use this opportunity with the Jubilee Market and Food Prescription Program to try new vegetables and new recipes so that you feel confident when you're trying to prepare healthy meals for you and your family. Thanks for listening in and see you next time.